Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to look at how to make money using Pinterest. Now what I will do is I'll show you the method, I'll show you exactly how this works and what you need to set everything up. Once we've gone over all that, I'll show you how you can get some free resources and free software so you can start automating this whole method today. And then once we've done all of that, I'll then share with you how you can speed everything up. If you want to fast track this and take this seriously, then I'll show you how you can do that as well for free. So it's all free stuff we're going to be looking at today. So let's go over to Pinterest and start right at the beginning of this whole process. So over on Pinterest, people think, it's only to do with, home, lifestyle, food and cooking, recipes, all that sort of stuff. But it really isn't. As you can see here, this is my account. I've currently got 52,700 monthly followers. I mean, this is quite low, but I've been spending a bit more time on here, so I thoroughly expect that this will go up over time. So if I go on here, let me go into boards. I'll just show you this. So I'll scroll down here so you can see I've got all of these different boards on here. So I'll go in this one here, how to work from home. Let me click on here. Now in here, you will see these are what are known as pins here. So on here, you upload these pins here. I'll just show you an example of this. If I click on here, so 3 ways to make money on Amazon, you can see this is leading people over to my blog. If I click on there, you can see it opens up a new tab and it sends people over to this article on my blog about making money on Amazon, and then within there I'll have different products or services that I recommend and I earn an affiliate commission. I've got hundreds of these. Now the reason why you should definitely be looking at Pinterest and focusing on Pinterest is, think of Facebook. When you go on Facebook and you put a post on Facebook, and that post that you create on Facebook, that'll last for a day, a couple of days, and then you won't see any traffic from that. Over on Pinterest, you can put one of these pins here on Pinterest today, and you can generate traffic to your affiliate offer, your blog, website, etc. for literally 6, 12, 18 months down the line. I'm still getting traffic over to some affiliate products that I promote from 18 months ago using this exact same method today, and it's free. So I would highly recommend you to start including Pinterest into your affiliate marketing campaigns and promoting products. So if we start right at the beginning of this whole process, the first part of the process is, before we even go to Pinterest or anything, you need a product to promote. Now when it comes to products to promote, the one that I recommend is this one over here, which is ClickFunnels. Now in terms of ClickFunnels, before you panic and worry about this, to become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, it's free. So you don't have to pay anything. You can go ahead and join ClickFunnels today for free and become an affiliate for them. And I'll put a link to that down below for you. Now here's just one example of a product that you can promote on ClickFunnels. It's this one here. It's called the .com Secrets book. You can see on here, this is your potential earnings from promoting a book. So you can see this here is the funnel. So if somebody purchased this here, you would earn $1. Then you've got all of these other additional products along the bottom here. Another thing why this is a great product to promote is, once you've sent somebody over to this sales page here, then ClickFunnels will literally follow up for you. They'll email the person for this product, etc. There's many more products that you can promote on ClickFunnels. This is just one of them. It's a relatively simple one to promote, and you can see the potential earnings. You've got another one here, which is, it's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. You will earn $100 for everybody who you send over to this One Funnel Away Challenge and earn money for this. Now look, you don't just have to use ClickFunnels for this. You can use ClickBank, you can use Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ShareASale, excuse me. There's a number of different products and services that you can find to promote. So the first part is you go ahead and you find a product to promote. Once you've done that, the next part is you would go ahead and create a pin for that. So you see over here, these here are what are known as pins. So you can go ahead and use a free software called Canva. Let me go and show you that now. So I'll go over here and go canva.com. If you go over to Canva, sign up for a free account. It's literally a really simple drag and drop software, and you can go on here, you can see where it says here Pinterest graphic. You click on here and you can go in and play around with this until your heart's content. So you've got your products that you want to promote. You then create your pin on here. That's step 1. Step 2. Now the thing what you do not want to do is, you don't want to just upload this straight onto Pinterest, linking directly over to the affiliate offer, because Pinterest doesn't like that. So what you want to do, which what I've done over here is an example. this 3 ways to make money on Amazon, you want to send them to some content. So in this example here, I'm sending them over to my blog. So, there's content on here and they'll go through and, click on anything and purchase this. So in terms of the content, you can either use a number of things. So this is another reason why I recommend ClickFunnels, because what you can do on here is you can actually send people to the link on here. And what I mean by that is if I scroll down the page here, they've got the banner ads that you can use. They've also got content that you can use on here, so you can see all of this content here. These are email swipes which have been done for you, but you can go ahead and you can use this content, what is over on ClickFunnels, and then take that content and put that into a really simple blog article, or you can put that into a landing page if you want. And when I say that, go ahead, go over here, and we'll go Wix. Go over onto Google. You can see you can get a free website over on places like Wix.com. You can use WordPress. Honestly, there's hundreds of these free websites. So you go ahead and you create content related to your actual product. Now, if you've got an actual ClickFunnels account like I have, then you can send people over to an actual landing page. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So if I go on here and I'll go not taught at school / get started. If I go over to this page here, I'll just quickly show you this. So people go over to this this opt-in page here, but this is all done using ClickFunnels and it's really simple to build, etc. So you could go ahead and get an account with ClickFunnels if you wanted to. You don't have to. You could go ahead, sign up and get an account and create basically like landing pages or website pages using your ClickFunnels account. If you didn't want to do that, you could go with Wix and create free content on here, so a really simple blog. You could even go ahead and create a YouTube video. So if we do a recap so far, so we've found a product that we want to promote. We've then created a pin using canva.com. Once you've got that, you then create content, so you can either use a free blog or a website. You can go ahead and create a ClickFunnels account and create a landing page on there, or you can even create a YouTube video. So once you've got those 3 things done, the next part of this whole process is uploading that content onto Pinterest. So on Pinterest, to do this, you would very simply create an account for free. Up here where it says add, you'd click on there and you click on create pin. Now on here, this is where you would upload your image that you've created on Canva. You'd give this a title. You would put a little bit of information in here about what your pin is about. And then here where it says destination link, this is where you link out to your content. And with inside your content, that is where you go ahead and promote or show the benefits of the product or service that you're recommending. So that is how you do all of this method. Now, what you can do, and what I do and I recommend this, is I automate the whole process. And what I mean by that is, once you've gone ahead and say got 10 pieces of content and you've got your articles and your pins and everything done like this, you can use this software here, and it's called Tailwind. And basically what this will allow you to do is it connects to your Pinterest account and then it just automates the whole process. So you can get started with this. They offer, I think it's 100 pins for free, so you can go ahead and start with this for free. There's a link down below, and on here you can just schedule your pins. Now I have someone who does this for me because I just like to have things done quickly. But when you're first starting out, you can go ahead, create an account on Tailwind for free, and then all of this here, you can see the date it was pinned, it does it all for you. So if I go over here on the left hand side, see where it says Publisher. Sorry, go to Publisher, Scheduled Pins. So you can see, so for today so far, I've currently got 5 pins on here which are going to be, uploaded on here. But you can go ahead and you can upload as many pins on here ahead of time as you want. So you can see I've already got one in here for this time here, another one here, and there'll be many more in here. And my assistant, I better give her a ring actually, because it looks like she hasn't got any in for today or tomorrow. So this is how you do it. So you can literally schedule all your content in here. So when I first started doing this, it would take me about an hour to schedule my content for about 2 to 3 weeks, and it was all done and uploaded on here. And then this here, this Tailwind, it just connects with your Pinterest account and it uploads it all for you. But that is today's video. That is how you go ahead and you can make money on Pinterest. So find a product or service you want to promote, create a pin for this, create content in the form of a blog article, a website article, a YouTube video. Once you've done that, you upload your pin onto Pinterest, you include a link over to your content, and then it just drives traffic from Pinterest over to your product or service. It's a really great way to make money online. It's a simple way. You can do all of this, everything we've gone through today, you can get started with all of it for free. And I said to you at the beginning of the video, if you watch it till the end and you want to, fast track this and speed things up, well, there's a link down below. It will take you over to this page. Is it this one? Yeah, this one here. This here, let me just close this. It's free training. You can see it's 100% free. This here is 100 days, and look, this is for committed people if you want to do this properly. Let me go up to the top here. This will show you how to basically, see here, 100 days to turn this hobby into your full-time career. So this will show you step by step how you can start making money online properly, and it's like I say, it's 100 days, so you've got to be committed to this or you will not see results. But if you scroll down, you'll see this is all of the free training for you, and I'll just show you some of the people who are doing this free training for you. So you can see this is the dream team. So we've got Steve, Dave, Rachel, we've then got Greg, Jim, Peng, Jacob, Dana, Joe. I'm not going to go for more, but you can see on here there's lots of people on here, and they cover absolutely every different topic when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you've got examples here. So this one here, how to organically attract and build value. We've got Marley over here sharing about YouTube. We've then got Billie Jean down here going about mind maps and other things. We've got 11 actionable steps. What's this one here? Simple agency approach to generate 100 plus affiliates in 100 days. All of these here, all of these people, they've created content in this training for you. It's 100% free and it's 100 days long. So if you want to do this properly and start making money online with affiliate marketing, then click the link down below. It'll take you through to this free training. It'll show you how to do everything that we've gone through and a hell of a lot more in more detail. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.